Hi all, welcome to Curry Culture and this is Syed Rabia. Today I am going to show you chicken soup recipe. Here in Tamil Nadu, we call it Naattu rasam. This will be a must-try dish, especially when you're suffering from cold and cough. This is very simple to make and let's start. In a pressure cooker, I am adding in 1 liter of water. Then I am adding the cleaned chicken. I usually clean the chicken with turmeric powder. This helps to remove any unwanted bacteria. Now I am adding in 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Then goes 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. I have given the ingredients list in the description box. Even at the end of the video, you can make a note of it. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder has antimicrobial property. This helps to fight cold. Then goes in 5 to 6 cloves and cinnamon 2-inch 2 pieces. I'm adding in the required salt. We need to add coarsely grounded garlic and shallots. Shallots are nothing but small onions. If you don't have small onions, you can add big onion also. But small onions taste good. We are going to grind it coarsely and adding into the soup. See, our soup has been started to boil. Now add the paste. Then we are going to add coriander leaves. And finally, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil contains lauric acid which fight against common cold. And also adding it avoid the spilling over the cooker. Let's close the cooker and cook it for 5 whistles. Here I have used country chicken, so I have given 5 whistles. If it were a broiler, then you can switch it off at 1 or 2 whistles. Now I'm going to temper the soup. Here I'm adding coconut oil, 2 teaspoons. Now I'm adding cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. Let's wait for the cumins to splitter. Then finely chop 2 to 3 shallots and a little bit of coriander leaves. Add into the tempering. Let's saute it for a while. Tempering this with cumin seeds gives you a nice aroma and even it is also good for health. If you like, you can also add some peppercorns to the tempering. We need to fry it for a while till the onions turn into golden brown. Let's check for the cooker. All the pressures have been released. Let's open the cooker. When our tempering is ready, we can add it to the soup. Whenever our kids got cold, we make this soup and serve them twice a day, once before breakfast and at lunch with rice. See, our tempering is ready. I'm adding it into the soup. Now our soup is ready to serve. Serve it hot. Do try this recipe. It is simple and worth trying. Please remember to serve it hot. This tastes best when we served it hot. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.